today I have a little bit of conflict with myself because, as you can see, today is very interesting. Like, we've been going sideways, up, then all the way down, and then squeeze up because of some kind of press conference. You know, weird thing. Like, boom! Wow. Jeez. We tagged the low of the low, didn't go through. Now we tagged my level. Overall, like VWAP from flat went a little bit up. What I would wait on perfect conditions for this first candle to go deep down inside value, which we cannot break right now. Inside value, which would be like below VWAP somewhere here, maybe here, stop that, reverse, and then we go up to test these highs again. Okay, so that's the ideal situation. um, why would I think so? Because now we are trading above value, which is like we are accepting above value, but it's obviously it's a Globex, so we don't know what's gonna happen. We tagged that previous high from last week, and now we tag that again with a big rejection, right? But we're trading in like the volume is dropping a little bit on this up move. I would kind of not expect to break it because, well, new highs are not that far away, depending on how what like the moves are. So we have 310, 340, 360. So 300 is a good ATR, which is half of that done today. Okay. And yesterday was half of that. Yesterday was a very tight range. Like, market is waiting for new information like NFP news on Friday, which is tomorrow. So this is the day before tomorrow. So right now I'm in conflict with myself. For an NQ trades, I'm having very low percentages on winning. You know, it's 40, less than 40, plus on top of that, if that's like zero, so we get nothing. We don't trade this. I cannot trade this. On top of that, this number might be also a little bit different because some of these numbers might be stopped out because I've been measuring not 50% of the candle length, but I've been measuring like risk for 2/3 of like, or even more, 3/4 of the candle, which is like almost full candle risk, which is different story than half of the candle risk, right? So if we take out at least one of these wins, we get 30%. So, I mean, bro, considering this is tomorrow NFP, but look at ES school run, day before NFP, same thing, 62.57. Okay, let's take one out. 56.42. Still not bad because I measured here also full length. But if we put all the news, it's also 62. Another one, okay, it's 40. Like this one, 4 wins in a row, 4 or 5, like 8, 10. I mean, look at that. So why would I want to trade NQ if I can trade this? You know what I mean? Why would I want to put my own money into NQ? On NQ, there's only one trade I want to take. a reversal trade. I want to take the rever anti, like different way. I mean, not for continuation, but for flip. If that was like first candle, I would take a flip. Well, I would actually take a flip here for the downside and here for the upside. So that's what I would do if we have this kind of type of candle. Okay, so this one is going up where I would also I can, like I did yesterday actually, I want to see that sweep to the upside. Okay, which is like, I mean, here definitely, here maybe not so much. Okay, let's go. Oh fuck, I'm in 6. I didn't want that. But we can, as yes, just a little bit of more. I mean, I'm risking like a little bit too much, maybe. Little bit too much. Wow, it's only 100 for 400? Okay, I didn't. Okay. I I might have made a mistake. I don't know why it's not showing. It's on demo. Oh my god, that's a savior of the day. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's the savior of the day. I messed up big time. Um, oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Okay, this is what I want to see for a reversal trade, okay? But like, man, I messed up big time. Oh my bananas. I'm fucking lucky, man. I'm lucky as fuck. Wow. 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 Okay, by the way, I'm probably not trading. Like, you see this doji candle? I just don't want, I don't think I want to do anything with that, you know? It's just crazy. I mean, this is indecision in its best. Oh boy, oh my god. That was, oh my god. I'm so fucking lucky this time. I don't want to push my luck anymore. I just can't. Look at this candle, like it's such an indecision candle. You know, we're gonna probably trade like that for another 15 minutes or so. There's nothing to do here. I mean, it's just wow. Okay, like for continuation to the upside, yeah, bigger probability. but there's lots of things to like look how many what do we have to cross? We have to cross this previous high. I mean, like there's too much to cross. I'm just seeing this as very, 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 very much of nothing. Like this doji indicates only one thing it can be indicating. You want to search for trades that come back to value. Come back. Like, I mean, there's nothing else. I don't know. I don't know. I have no other idea. Jesus, I'm so fucking lucky that was on demo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh boy. That's crazy how that went. I went in so much size. I don't know, was expecting this one. This mark is very. No, it's all good. It's normal behavior. I didn't see anything special, like except for that. Pew. Oh man, and you see one on the charts after, and you see live. It's total different story most of the times, right? So I don't know. I don't know. I would take that trade, but reversal trade, but like I see that it might go to here, like which is 50. I would take that trade on here, maybe. No, let's put an order for buying here. Sick? What? Jeez. You know, you put your stop loss where you put your order to buy where you would put your stop loss, okay? That's a nice rule. And I think, well, if that vomits, it vomits, right? But for that to come back, yeah, I see that coming. It could be good. I would have obviously be very, very fucking patient. 80, which is okay, without slippage, it's all good, but with slippage, it's not good. And here, uh, um, I'm not that confident. I would be more confident on like, no, I'm just curious what's gonna happen at this point. At this point, I'm just curious, and also, I'm committing actually to look this zone. Like if we turn off the pivots, like this level, right? That drops. I mean, there's nothing stopping us. On ES, there's nothing stopping us. If we crack that one, we go down, down, down to here, right? Which is nice and amazing. And everything. I've seen such pimples before. Um, that wasn't very actually. So what we do? Do we take a continuation trade? No, I don't trust this market on continuation. Look, the next 5 minute candle, like the first. I mean, this is indication of a huge indecision, okay? And I don't want to take that trade. I would take that for this, 1-to-1 maybe, but that's maybe too much risk. for 1-to-1, you know? Where I said I saw that. Yeah. Okay, so it's the same. Okay, sorry. I mean, but maybe that was also before where that was. Yes, yes, the bigger one. Yeah, it's this pimple paste. Right. Okay. So we got that. We got that. We tag that. Okay, maybe now you want to take that. Let's see what ES does. Yes, this is just wicked down, huge. Touch for the second time, my level. Okay, third time. No. Oh, fuck, we stuck. Let's check if we don't have any orders. All the orders cancelled. Okay. At least that's the good thing. Um,
Order filled.
wow, I like when I don't see anything.
Order placed. Order cancelled. Order placed.
Let's make it a free trade. I mean, why wouldn't I? It's not my target yet. It's above VWAP. It's going back to the range. And we got stopped out, right? Okay.
Stop filled.
Okay. We tried. Yeah, maybe that was a better like level, but I tried. I tried. Okay. How do I reset these things? Can I Do I have to connect and disconnect? I would like to get rid of that thing. Yes. Is it still on there? No. Connect. Yeah, it's still on there. Okay, stupid. Stupid shit. So now, do we continue to the downside? No, I don't think so. It's just indecision, indecision, indecision. I have to remember that this is not working, okay? Order is in the process of modifying. I mean, you don't have to modify anything. You just have to again, I'm quite bullish on this one. Can I somehow get rid of that? Nope. Um, so I'm still in the trade, by the way, if I would be exactly on my setup. But yeah, that's 15 minutes coming up. We're trading on VWAP. VWAP is super flat. And we are going for my target probably. Was that like $5 on that trade. Nice, nice. Instead of 300, which is coming up, but I'm not in the trade anymore. There was no momentum right there, and I don't want to get in trade in the worst position that I was without momentum. Yeah, 15-minute range established. Now now we are building another 15-minute range, which could be broken or stay untouched. But no, we will break that. And on ES, well, if we break, we can reach lots of interesting levels. So what I would like to see right now, this coming back into the value and then just slowly, slowly. Okay, anything can happen, okay? Yeah, it's wow. Okay, okay. So I would be still in trade, by the way. But now we would be in profits a little bit. ES is coming back again for the second time to the same level. No, I still want to do this.
Order placed. Order filled.
Yeah, let's do this.
Order placed.
As I said,
Order placed.
I want to place my stop where masses place their orders. Okay, this would have been my stop loss for the reversal. Obviously, we can massively go deeper inside there, like massively. So this is my first trade. I would have loved to see more of a rejection. This one is inside there. Okay, we're rejecting a little bit. Is that enough of a rejection to come back to that level or not? That's the question. Still fighting, still fighting. Some thoughts on that. Still fighting. Okay, this is like a little bit concerning, but we broke the previous low, which can be a bounce back. And we tagged in that. We went there. Okay, let's see. Is that a rejection or a pullback? Hmm. Let's see if these 700s are holding, okay? Let's see if they can hold us. If we're coming back through here, and obviously it's a nice spot to be in. Nice pullback. Now I'd like to lower my risk to this candle's low. Well, because if it goes definitely to my target. Then we have those 700s.
Order cancelled.
I hope they are holding. Well, if they are not, I mean, this prob.
Order placed.
I think I'm out of this trade. Okay, I'm just overthinking. I'm done. Uh, how to say? I'm like on the wrong side of something, and you know, I'm a I felt a bit confused. You know, I felt like I did something wrong there. So probably I'd rather be out of this trade, okay? Well, it's a perfect for now. For 1-to-1 is perfect. I would move my stop loss to break even, and now we would see what market does, right? But that didn't happen. That didn't happen. Nothing. Like, this is not my trade. Okay, it's coming up. That's sometimes like I feel I should trust my gut, for more. But okay, so we got minus $9 on this trade. Okay. That was a good idea, probably, to stay in that trade for longer. Strong rejection. Now it's a good green candle. But somehow those every move of that candle just bothered me a lot, and you saw like how I moved my stop loss. I wasn't confident in this trade. So probably I just should be out of that. Also, by the way, if I would have gone with the trade that I initially should have gone with, I would be still in the trade. With the first 5-minute bar break, right? I would still be in the trade. And that was the entry, that was the also, yeah, so that I would still be in that trade, by the way, which is fine, which is like fine-ish, and probably that will work. Like from this, hmm, that 15-minute candle is just very sexy to take shorts, which is fine, which is really, really, really fine. I should put it not on demo this time. Okay, and we got what? We got like 40, so 6 contracts. No, it's a different price for these things, or no, or it's yeah, no, all good, all good. 37. So 40, so 6 contracts, right? For half of that, right? Okay. Um, 7 minutes left. Ding dong, ding dong. I think we're gonna see a bit of a vomit today. Okay, so this is quite a huge candle to handle. 50, right? So, is this the right candle to handle? That's the question. I mean, it went down into that zone. It's still going down. It's not stopping. NQ is lagging a bit, but there's lots of weight for NQ to go. For yes, maybe here. What's the target gonna be? I mean, that is close to first target, but the second target is quite far away, bro. So, decision. Okay, 1 minute left. I hope it doesn't go any further downside. Well, it actually does go more downside. E ora, papa? Okay, so I had my mic turned off. What I wanted to say is that the value is dropping, the TPOs are dropping to the downside. So I'm expecting all this. If if that holds, then we are going up. But if it doesn't, we just gonna kerfuffle to the downside a lot. Like there's a lot to go to the downside. Uh, So just for the record, my trade from here now is a winner. Like on paper, it was a winner. And it's a beautiful 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. I entered here, my risk was here, and my profit is here. Actually, that could even be right here. Well, I just didn't trust that, somehow I was not trusting that. Also, it might have been break even because that was like 1 to 1 and then dropped back down. Then now it's coming up. We see lots of. I don't know how this trade is going to perform. I'm leaving it as it is just for this target. Well, if that's the one at 92, that's obviously would be also no for the highs of 6,060. So 99, well, that's a steep target to hit. Maybe we could have. Okay, let's wait. 82. Okay. 1, 2.
Order placed.
This is my exact target, okay? So here, is that a rejection? That's the open, by the way. No, that's the open. Uh, our open, yeah, it's the same place. Okay, there's nothing real I can do. Maybe that was like a flashback, and now we're. I'm tired thinking. Let it play. That was a good idea to make it happen like that. Stay here, don't break the bottom, and just go up. This is playing good right now also, but we have a big ugly zone right there and there, you know? That can be a difficult part. If we go here, then we'll definitely go here. Then we'll say maybe we'll touch that. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. This is also area. So trade to the downside continuation didn't work. Absolutely didn't work. Like I was expecting. I if I took here for that reversal, that didn't work also. I took it at where masses put the stop loss. I've put an order to buy. That was a great idea. I just didn't hold that. You know, that's me the problem, probably, right? Too much thinking. I was very, oh, no, 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 it's going down, there's no momentum, going down, no. No, it didn't go down. Can it reach that? Can it reach that? Previous highs? I don't know. That's what we're gonna answer today if I leave this trade on for the rest of the day.